She builds a special web designed to trap prey. And it also collects debris, falling from the canopy above. And she uses it to do something remarkable that's just recently been discovered. She gathers only the best materials and starts to assemble an extraordinary creation. Her sculpture begins to take shape. A large body. In just one night, she finishes her masterpiece. What looks like a giant self-portrait, thought to intimidate her predators. And to complete her illusion, she hits the web with her abdomen, bringing her beast to life, and scares off a predator 500 times her own size. The lengths animals go to protect themselves are truly mind-blowing.